Met Rama. What is the update?
To see Rama in this state, I mean, sorry, but it's very emotional because I've seen Rama fight for Goa. Rama and I have been together head on, fighting for issues. And recently Rama had called up because he wanted to organize a Rakondar award ceremony for all the social activists who have committed themselves to Goa. And he was all excited for it. But seeing today the way he's bitten up and seeing him in the hospital that he can't open up his eyes, his body is totally like hammered. Backside also is hammered. It's not that we are afraid. I'm just like emotionally hurt that as much as we are people who are voicing up for Goa, and when you are fighting for what is right, you're speaking up for what is right, and this is how you're treated. Because these are the same people who attacked Rama just few months ago, and there was no action taken back then. And today again he's been attacked. And on top of that, at the end of it, there was cow dung that was put on his face, and those people clicked a picture and they were reporting it to somebody. So there's someone higher up that is involved in this, who is actually paid these people to get these things done. So if the police are not being active and finding out who's the culprit, it's sad that after the BJP has come into power, this has been rampant that has been happening in Goa. And it is a sad situation today because talking to Rama's wife there inside, she said, Cecil, Rama had just gone for lunch. There were people around. And those guys were coming with knives, attacking, saying that don't come. But there were stones around. If there were like at least 10, 15, 20 people who took stones and started hitting those people who were attacking Rama, those people would have fled and Rama would have not got so attacked. So all my request is, we are going to be standing front, we are going to be voicing. Like I met somebody told me, Cecil, you please take care. I mean, take care? What take care? We have to stand for what is right. And we know what outcome is going to happen. Today it's Rama, tomorrow it can be any one of us. But what are you people doing who are there watching every time that these things happen? Are you going to stand up for when you see something wrong like this? This is happening day in and day out. It's not that I'm sounding weak. I'm just disappointed with the government. I'm disappointed to see my co-friend Rama in this particular situation, and it should not happen to anyone. But this is the field that we are in. We are social activists. We are fighting for what is right. We will be attacked. We've already informed our parents that we don't know when we'll come home. And this is our situation. But I thank Rama for standing up and doing whatever he's been doing from day one till now, and reaching out to every Goan, everyone who's fighting. He goes everywhere. And I respect him for that. I request all you people, when you see anyone being attacked, gather around with people and when you attack those people, you don't know the power of 15, 20 people coming together and attacking those attackers. You all have the power. Don't let anyone do what they have done to Rama again. It's up to you. This has never been happening in Goa, but today Goa is like, it's very sad, very, very sad. And I blame the law and order, I blame the CM, I blame who's in charge of law and order, that is the CM again. What are you doing? The police are useless, I would say. Sorry to say this. But to see Rama in this state, this is the situation right now. Thank you.